Really, Savien? You're not gonna talk now, but you're talking like a while ago. Wow, Savien. Alright, we're back playing Gario. Savien sucks at this game. And I'm beast at this game. Okay. This is in the morning before I go to school. So, I don't have enough time to make it like a long video. Oh, God. Shh. No! Savien, can you talk, please? Savien, why aren't you talking? I know you're here. You're just being mean by not talking to the video. He has no friends. I do have friends. It's just that Remy's not here. Cause he always gets to my house late. That's my ghost.
Yeah?
No, it isn't.
What?
Guys, look. That was Savien talking to a baby. That's a baby.
Yo!
Isn't it just wonderful, people? Yeah, that's wonderful.
What's up? Savien trying to throw the pillow. Vroom.
Savien, I'm trying to make a video here. Savien, can you stop? I'm trying to commentary. You know my commentary is pretty bad. Like, my voice is pretty. Ah, damn it! Sir Galaxy, fucking hate you.
Look, he just gave me a pound.
Cool.
Look at this.
Okay, my next round.
He's cool now. He's one of the
I got it.
just turned off.
Yeah. Elmo?
Mama.
You want Elmo?
Mama. It's a color.
There you go. Okay, well. Ah, damn it. Ah, job.
Papa. Mama.
Yeah, yes, espérame. No, that's the wrong button.
What does he call you, Mama?
No. Savien, why are you talking in this video?
Huh?
How come you weren't talking?
When I'm talking?
Yeah, how come you weren't talking?
Oh no.
Want me to give a shout out in this video?
Watch out.
Open it. Okay, open it. I'm gonna open it. Okay? Oh god, I'm about to die. I'm about to die really quickly. I'm coming. Don't think of it in that way, you nasty fuck.
He started stalking me.
He doesn't come in.
He came.
Remy, subscribe to my channel.
You made a new channel?
Mm-hmm.
I can't subscribe to you.
Why?
My phone's at home.
Boy. Really?
Mm-hmm.
I already have two subscribers so far. Mm-hmm. My brother and Savien. No. So my brother subscribed to me, but I need you and Savien, so then I can have 3 subscribers.
Actually, you're gonna have more than 3 because I have 5 channels.
Good.
And I only use 2.
I'm playing a Guardian right now. And I'm making a video. Remy, give a shout out to yourself in my video.
It's the guys, Master Renzo here. It's like, subscribe to Master Renzo.
Okay. If David had a channel, then he would be able, but he doesn't.
David has a channel.
Well, nobody wants to subscribe.
Well, he didn't. He didn't know, but I made him a channel.
I already posted a video.
This is my second video. What's the channel called?
It's called David.
You scared
Oh, Savien.
Damn it, I died!
Savien.
Okay, guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. And we're out with a little ad. Really? Shit sucks.
Savien.
There we go. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the
Savien.
end of this video.
If I would have knew that you were here, I would have given you
Subscribe,
some instead of David.
like, and comment. And subscribe to Master Rental Gaming and Savien DeVault.